Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I will try to show how to draw architecture diagrams using draw.io. So I'm not very much expert in drawing, but have whatever I have learned. So I will try to share my knowledge. Okay. So for drawing architecture diagrams, or I will use a tool that is an online tool which is called draw.io. So I will show you how to um, navigate to there and start drawing. So I have a sample diagram which I will try to replicate, not fully, but I will try to replicate to whatever extent possible. Okay, so this is my architecture diagram which I have taken from internet. So it contains some Power Automate as well, and some Power Apps and AWS as well. Okay, so let's try to see if we can match this architecture diagram in using some other tool that is called the draw.io. Okay, so let's put it side by side. Okay, so fine. So so before starting, so we need to uh, analyze this diagram. Okay, so like this diagram has two blocks, the left side and right side. One is the Office 365 cloud, which is in its own box, and then it is having one more box that is on the right hand side, that is AWS cloud. So this box contains all the AWS services, and this box contains Office 365 services. Okay, and how these are both are linked. Okay, so by these arrows, so we'll try to build this diagram. Okay, so let's try to first create one left box. Okay, so I think this is the matching one, right? So let's drag and drop over here. So once you drag and drop, you will see this highlighted. So you can expand this, okay, just to have, yeah, so that it can contain all these boxes, right? Whatever boxes we are seeing over here, right? Sorry, elements, okay. So one is the, and then once it has the heading also, right? Office 365 Cloud. So let's try to go over here plus sign and then select text. Okay, you got this text, drag and drop over here. So just rename it as Office 365. Okay, so now we have the left box and the heading. Okay, now we need this small elements, right? Platform users, Outlook email template, and so on. So just try to search these platform users. Just not try to match completely, but try to see if we have the logo for users, right? So we can, this is the nearest one, so we can take one users. Okay, so you did not match completely, but as per your tool availability, right? You can use it, or you can click on more results and try to match. Okay, so I think this one is matching, right? um, so better you delete this one, and yeah, this one is a matching one. Okay, now we have somewhat matching to this. Yeah, I think this completely matching, right? So now we need Outlook email template, right? This one, Outlook email template. I'm not sure if the arrow is showing or no, but this one, Outlook email template. Okay, so now search for email. Okay, then click enter. Yeah, so this is the one. Let's see if it is matching. No, Outlook. Let's type Outlook only. Yeah, so it is. Yeah, so this one is right. So though the size is little bigger, but not a problem. Then we have Power Platform, right? Power Platform. Yeah, we have the Power Platform logo as well. Okay, sorry. And then we have Power Apps as well. So I think we have everything here over here, right? So now we need to connect the arrow, right? So this arrow, just click over here. Uh, so once you click over it, it will show you which arrow, right? So from where to where, okay? but in this case it is not showing over here. So here the arrow position is from right to left. Okay, so but it is not showing, so we need to get an arrow. Okay, let's get one arrow. Okay, so let's take this, then you rotate it. Okay, so you have to play around with it, and once you um, work more on it, right, then it will be perfect. Otherwise it will be little challenging. You need to practice a lot. So I think this should be okay. Yeah, so just to rotate it. No, it's not working. Just do undo. Okay, so let's try to get one more. First we rotate over here only. Okay, then we will drag it. Okay, let's take it outside. Okay, now we rotate it. Okay, so now we have this arrow. Now you drag over here. Okay, fine. So this arrow is not straight. Let's make it straight little. We have to just click over here and try to see if we can. Yeah. Okay, so now we need this arrow again. So no, let's do Control C, Control V. We need two of this, right? So we have from left to right and down to up, right? So we need to have it over here. No, again it is not working. Let's try if we can reverse it. Yes, it is working fine. So now we need to, it's a little tricky to work these arrows. So need to be little patient. Right, okay, fine. So do one thing again, just drag it over here on the open space. Then just now, okay, now you have it correctly, and you need to shorten it little. Okay, yeah. So this is not so perfect, but we'll try to, we will relate it. Okay, now let's try to reverse it again. Okay, so now just, okay, now I think we are in a good shape. So this is matching right with this diagram. Now we need to draw the right hand side box, right? So now we need to have, just drag this box again. So once you drag right, the space expands automatically. Okay, so we'll not be drawing everything here, just we're drawing few of them. Okay, so now let's see AWS API gateway. Okay, so which one is matching API gateway? So I think this one is matching, right? Now we need AWS Lambda. Okay, now just search for Lambda. This is the one. Okay, okay, yeah. And before that, we need to give the heading also, right? So just click on plus symbol, text. Once you have the text here, AWS. Okay, so we'll try to now join both of these. Okay, now just Control C, Control V to make it. Oh no no. Okay, so till yes. So you need to ensure this four. No, it's little. Okay, no. Just to back. Okay, why this is. Okay. So just take this, hmm, and put over here. Okay, so that it is crossing this. Okay, so you just make sure this is the one. Okay, just drag this little bit, should be straight. Okay, or you can do one thing, you can, no, this one should come inside. Let's send it to back. Some issue, it's not going inside. Okay, let's try to take one more arrow. Somehow it is not going inside. So let's try to bring forward. It's not going inside. First delete this box. Okay, now let's put it over here. Okay, so you have this. Just, yeah, make this straight. Okay, now you have this. Now you have one more arrow, right? So just Control C, Control V, drag over here. Okay, reduce the length. Okay, now you need to put that box. Okay, so you drag this box again. Okay, just stretch it. Okay, now everything is hidden. So you need to right click and do to back. Okay, so this is how you get this diagram. Okay, so I am not doing completely, but yeah, so we need this logo also, right? AWS. Though we don't have this AWS logo, I think you need to Google and get it. So fine, so this is one, and then you can um, do some color also. You can give some color. Okay, like this. Okay, and this fine looks now little better. So now make this font little better. No, this should be bigger. Okay, now. Okay, so now you have this, right? So this is how you can um, draw the architecture diagram, right? So it's not very comprehensive, but it's trying to give you a head start, right? So you can uh, go to this link, app.diagrams.net, and start drawing. Okay. So thank you for tuning. Thank you for listening. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.